The pilot light in your Richmond gas water heater ignites the main burner to heat water. Here's how to light it safely and effectively. First, turn the gas control knob to the off position and wait a few minutes to clear any residual gas. Next, set the control to the pilot position. Push and hold the dial while pressing the igniter button to start the pilot flame. Look through the window to see a small, bluish flame. Continue holding the button for several seconds after the pilot lights to allow the thermocouple to warm up. Release the button. If the pilot stays lit, turn the dial to the on position. If your water heater has an automatic igniter, set the thermostat to the lowest setting, clear out residual gas, turn on the power and gas control, and then set your desired temperature. Remember to always follow safety procedures when working with gas appliances. If you smell gas or encounter any issues, stop immediately and contact a professional. When your Richmond water heater pilot light won't stay lit, there are several common causes and solutions to check. We'll also cover essential safety precautions to keep you safe during troubleshooting. The most common reason a pilot light won't stay lit is a faulty thermocouple. This safety device detects the pilot flame and keeps the gas valve open. You can test it using a multimeter. Another common issue is a dirty pilot tube or orifice. Dirt and debris can accumulate over time, causing a weak flame or preventing the pilot from lighting properly. Other potential causes include low gas pressure, damaged air intakes that restrict oxygen flow, or a malfunctioning control valve that prevents gas from reaching the pilot light. Important recall information. Some Richmond water heaters manufactured between 2020 and 2021 had a faulty emergency cutoff device that could interrupt the voltage from the thermocouple to the gas valve. Safety is paramount when working with gas appliances. Always turn off both the water heater and gas supply before attempting any maintenance. Keep the area free of flammable vapors and ensure your water heater is filled with water before turning it back on. Remember, if you're uncomfortable performing any of these troubleshooting steps, or if the problem persists after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to contact a certified technician. Your safety is more important than attempting a repair you're not confident about.